at Sturminster Mill.
No swimming, it's dangerous.
Yeah. Oh, that's noisy. Well, that was nice for him. Managed to get the drone up over Sturminster Mill. Wasn't open for coffee. We've missed it by a week. We're a week too early. A couple of gents in there just fixing the wooden cog that works the big water wheel. Or is part of the big water wheel. So due to the fact that Henry, Maily and Sil were all going to be crunching big miles the next day, we thought we'd keep today nice and chilled with a few stops for Henry to pop the drone up. And obviously we needed to include a dinner stop in there somewhere. Now, cutting through tight little back lanes that only locals know to use does throw up its problems. You can meet one of these. You can meet one of these. And quite often, you can meet one of these. Thank you, lovey. And of course, chuck in the mix some of these, and even more worryingly, some of these, and you really do have to have your wits about you. I always like to use the old brewery cafe in Gillingham if I'm up this way. Now, it used to be a motorcycle dealership called Motorcorsa. They used to sell premium brands such as £80,000 Brough Superiors and MV Augustas and such like. These days though, it's just a very, very good cafe which is still used a lot by bikers, but equally as many locals. And it were very nice too. So if you ever find yourself in North Dorset, pop in and try the grub at the old brewery cafe in Gillingham. There's even a few older bikes in there to ogle at whilst your food is being cooked to order. That place I can highly recommend. Now, it's only a relatively short trip from the old brewery cafe to the next stop, but as you'll see, it was worth taking this road just for the first few bends on it. King Alfreds Tower is a folly on the Stourhead estate, which is on the Somerset-Wiltshire border. It's 161 feet tall and is open to the public to climb to the top via a steep spiral staircase with 205 steps. Now, I felt some chest pain coming on at just the thought of that, so we did what all good gentlemen would do and volunteered Maily to go to the top to take photos. Henry and I did the sensible thing and sent the drones up there instead.